Create vivid descriptions, atmosphere and environment in English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English language learning, describing places with positive and negative descriptions, focusing on the subtopic of atmosphere and environment. We'll learn how to use adjectives and adverbs to paint a vivid picture of a place, to help our listeners truly feel the environment. So, let's get started. The first step in describing places is understanding what we mean by atmosphere and environment. In this context, atmosphere refers to the mood or feeling that a place gives off. Environment, on the other hand, pertains to the physical surroundings or conditions of a place. Adjectives are the coloring pencils of language. They add life and vibrancy to our descriptions. Here are some adjectives you can use to describe a positive atmosphere. 1. Inviting, a place that makes you feel welcome. 2. Bustling, a busy, lively place. 3. Serene, a calm and peaceful place. 4. Enchanting, a place that fascinates or delights you. 5. Vibrant, a lively, energetic place. Try to use these adjectives in a sentence. For example, the park was so serene that I forgot all my worries. Not all places create a positive feeling. Here are some adjectives to describe a negative atmosphere. 1. Gloomy, a place that makes you feel sad or pessimistic. 2. Dreary, a dull, bleak place. 3. Chaotic, a place full of confusion or disarray. 4. Creepy, a place that makes you feel uneasy or frightened. 5. Depressing, a place that makes you feel disheartened or low. An example sentence might be, "The abandoned house was so creepy that I didn't want to go inside." Now, let's look at the environment. Here, we're describing the physical aspects of a place. This could be anything from the weather conditions to the architectural style. We can use adjectives like picturesque, cramped, sprawling, pristine, or derelict. For instance, the picturesque village nestled in the valley was a sight to behold. And that wraps up our journey into describing the atmosphere and environment. Now you have a richer vocabulary to portray places positively or negatively. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try using these adjectives in your daily conversations or in your writing. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has made your language adventure a bit more colorful. Until next time, happy language learning!